As COVID-19 cases continue to go up in Boone County, we are taking a look at the effectiveness of the mask ordinance in Columbia. Now, we first told you about this record-breaking number. It's 64 new cases. That's breaking news on ABC 17 News at 5 and 6. ABC 17's Connor Hirsch joins us live in downtown Columbia tonight after breaking down those numbers with the Boone County Health official. Connor, it's been 42 days since people in Columbia were required to wear a mask.
Deb, and we're about halfway through that 90-day mask ordinance here in Columbia. And while we are still breaking some of those records, the data shows that mask order may have started to slow the spread of the virus. And that's looking at the main factor the health department looks at to consider the positivity rate. Before the Columbia mask ordinance, Boone County's positivity rate was spiking. After being at less than 1% in the beginning of June, it was reported at 15.6% for the week of June 26th through July 2nd. Then right after hitting its peak of 15.8% during that next week, the positivity rate dropped 9.6% during the week of July 10th through the 16th, right after the mask ordinance took effect.
We have to think that the mask ordinance had a big role in that.
Scott Clardy with the health department told me a scientific study would be needed to truly prove its effectiveness.
In the absence of anything else that changed, the mask ordinance was clearly the thing that we knew of that changed kind of what was going on at that point.
The positivity rate has continued to climb since then, but Clardy said nowhere near where it was heading. But now another record-breaking day, 64 cases. To explain where these spikes are coming from, Clardy said to look at the ages. Half of the reported cases today are in the 20 to 24 age range. This comes as thousands of young people are returning to Columbia for class.
We knew this was going to happen. We've been saying for weeks this is going to happen, and it's happening.
He said it's likely a combination of people not following the guidelines, spread within households, and the population of Columbia growing with the return of students.
To be honest with you, the cases are coming in so rapidly right now that we haven't been able to analyze it that closely.
And Clardy said it's too early to tell whether or not they'll extend the mask ordinance, but they will be talking about the public health order for the whole county next week as it expires at the end of the month. Reporting live in Columbia, Connor Hirsch, ABC 17 News.
Thank you, Connor.